Osmagade Sezulu, can somebody just tell Upototo with right there, that's where he missed it, because that's the part where he was supposed to ukuthi abuze lo mlisa ukuthi when you say ukuthi beyangaphilanga kahle bekanjani, that is the part where he was supposed to ask so that everyone can go scot free, knowing that there was an underlying issue, knowing that there's no one that actually intended for her ukuthi aloke out. She actually was sick. But no, Upototo ubhizi ukhala boma ngicela le apart singayikhulumi ngoba the sindanes bazongijezisa ngifuna ulahlekelwe umsebenzi, khala boma singasayikhuluma indaba yalo Thekeni. He just missed his ticket to go scot free, and I don't understand why the rest of the situation looks to be like ibhekene naye ngqo ayi-one. And he was not alone in there was a lot of people there, and obviously he wouldn't have known ukuthi kwenzakalani, but unfortunately because uyena umsunguli wephathi yonke into ejongane naye ke sana, so everyone is going to look at him as the mastermind of the issue. But again, the bottom line is there's nothing that they did wrong, and abanye bayofela izono zabanye bangenza uyofela usopo inyama ungayidlanga. Ladies and gentlemen, as you can already see, we're going to be reviewing Scandal Di Madekwana. Sanbona Abshin Malwen Minjali. Hipukile Hingongwina. So Namutlaka no Hina was Scandal Hikumakorosh last Sensekangi Kashle, looking at the fact that Victor had a very victorious visit that actually ended nowhere. So I don't know the name of that lady who is as Talita's lawyer. Is it Bishop or something? I don't know, but she decided to go and see Victor, trying to convince him ukuthi lalela, if ubufakazi bakho nobufakazi kaTalita can be put together, you and Talita would go scot free. Inhlizweni yami, I'm like, no, ungavumi wambuza ukuthi the bottom line is wena usazofa, so kumele uchoose ufuna ufelele noma ufuna ufela kuphi. So atigena, if you come with me unikeze lo bufakazi bakho bokusho ukuthi uTalita innocent ke kusho ukuthi nonke you are both going to go scot free. In my mind I'm like, yeah, well yazi kuyodlalwa ngawe. But fortunately he said, no, I'm not going to do that. Actually, I'm going to take my chances in court and see what goes down. Atigena umeli, you know what, you've just made the biggest mistake of your life. Atigena yena, how it's so surprising how you come to my doorstep, desperate as you look, but then you're saying I'm making a biggest mistake of my life. I'm willing to take my chances. Atigena atim, you should be able to know ukuthi kungenzeka ukuthi uvalele athi mina angikwesabi. Atigena, can we make it like this meeting never happened? Atabo ngithe angikwesabi. Athi, that's your second mistake. Kalabuma, it's what you can prove in court, not what you know, what you can prove in court. Yes. Yeah. Manje ke wahamba ke, and then Victor wasala lapho. So I can see she went with the walk of shame, empty-handed. She did not get what she wanted, which is a problem now because she needs to prove something in court, and she did not have the ability or access to any information because Victor went up. Two more pressing issues. Dinhle naye uyoswela umsopo inyama angayidlanga. Ukofela sobaso ngolanama mwana wabathu, because right now uMamazala is calling uMadlomo ukuthi Madlomo we, uyabona thina sihambile sayobona umuntu, lo muntu masimbona usitshelile ukuthi kahle kahle lezi zinto lezi ezenzeka kunhloso izinto zabantu. Ngakho ke wanginikeza umuthi athi angimphekele ngimphakele. Manje inkinga isekuthenini uLodinhle lo akafuni ngomuthi emzini wakhe. Thiyeke tatata. But then unfortunately uKanye Joe was listening into the conversation, which spilled everything out of control. Now uyamtshela ukuthi ekuboneni kwami why uDinhle ala ngifunza indodana yami into engicanga ukuthi izomphilisa. Shuthi yena uye umsunguli wazo zonke lezi zinto lezi. Le nkinga leqala from yena, because why would you say no if senza something ezosiza umuntu wena udliwa yini kahle kahle. Athi kena uthe yena akafuni senze sebenzisa umuthi kwakhe. so bengicela ukuthi angizopheka lo muthi lapho kwakho bese ngiyamnikeza. We didn't get to hear what Madlomo was saying, but according to the phone call, it looks like the phone call was going smooth. The problem was that Kanye was listening in, and then she was shocked to see Kanye walk through, and then she asked ukuthi uzweni akazwanga lutho ngani. Sasambe ngokuthengela ama-sweet bakozama ubhayisisa nwana, and I hope lo mntwana lo, in fact I don't hope, ngiyazi ukuthi lo mntwana lo hayi ndi-tape recorder o-tape zwithu zwiṅwe na zwiṅwe zwoṱhe zwi zwi khou itea. Anywho, manje uThidi unenkinga. Inkinga kaThidi ukuthi ubulethe imaka a re yena wa kula ebile o tshwere ke brain tumor, and brain tumor yo hiding pila ntho a e tlhokang ke lenyalo. So o nagana gore Divete o tla monyale, in fact o nyaka gore Divete a monyale, mara o berekisa taba ya gore yena o a shwa. And ke a iputsisa gore Divete yena ke setlela mang, cause bianong if yena wa shwa why a tshwanetse a monyale, because o tlo tsamaya e se kgale a re yena o sa ditse ke dikgwedi tse di malwa fela. So why na nyaka gore Divete a monyale? Anyway, so o ile ko tshomeng ya hae a mmolella gore ke kopa gore ha le la ntho tsa lenyalo kopa le ska bolela mme wa ka gore nna ka kula, because mme wa ka ke motho mogolo. And then umngani wakhe athilalela ke manje yile nto ngiyenze yabona la sengicedile mina akusekho la ngiyakhona ngamanga wakho, they are just becoming too much, they are piling up, and each time you promise me ukuthi uzokhuluma iqiniso kodwa awulikhulumi. She then goes back to Divete. A re Divete ke itse gore re tlo nyala ne, so ne ke re fela ne ke go ra ke re o bona ha o bitsa batho kopo ska bitsa mme wa ka o mmolele gore ke a kula ke a shwa, because mme wa ka ke motho mogolo ha ka itse gore ke a kula ntho yo ka se mo sware sharp le yena re tlo mmoloka ise kgale. Divete wa makala byanong gore byanong go tla byang gore wena wa kula mme wa hao ha itse, and ha o nya ke re bolele mme wa hao ka mabaka mafeng. So now it's that like ke a nagana gore why Divete le yena a sa inagane taba ya gore ha iteng in taba ya gore motho wa kula o motho wa iketsisa o, mara Divete ha inagane o nagane gore oh if nka mmolella hey if bolwetse bo ba worse yo modimo. And for some unknown reason ke bone ba ira this month on what ke a mmona o tsamaya down the aisle gore lenyalo vele le tsa tlo ya ko pele lenyalo la maka yo modimo. But again, anyway, Divete did agree to that, but now the problem is at some point the truth will eventually come out. But the problem is asas ukuthi when it comes at itlo thuba lenyalo na Mathobela says gore Tshidi o tshwantse a tle for dithapelo because yena o mo rapelisa and o rapela gore o ka re a ka kry-a thusho a be right. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much for watching my video. I will see you on my next upload. Please remember to subscribe to my channel, leave me a comment. I really love hearing from you, and remember we do not upload full episode, however we review full episode daily.